Hello everyone, I am Minuri. Today I will discuss the data visualization technique in business intelligence. Data visualization transforms the complex data sets into the simple visual representation, making it easier for stakeholders to understand patterns, trends, and insights. First, take a look at the content of this presentation. I will start with the introduction for the data visualization, discuss the importance in business intelligence, explore the key techniques, cover the best practices, look at some popular tools, and finally we will see some practical example for the data visualization by take the Amazon as an example. Now let's answer this question, why is the data visualization is important? Data visualization is crucial in business intelligence because it transforms the abstract data into the visual formats that is easy to understand. This makes it easier to decision making the graphs under complex information quickly and take informed action. And by making data more accessible and understandable, data visualization helps save time and improve the efficiency of the decision-making process. And data visualization is the graphical representation of the information and data using visual elements like chart, graph, and maps. Key features include the interactive dashboard, real-time data updates, customizable visualizations, and integration with the multiple data sources. These elements work together to make the data more accessible and actionable for users. Data visualization plays an important role in business intelligence for several reasons. It facilitates to understand a complex data set by making it easier to interpret large data. Additionally, it enhances the ability to identify trends, outliers, and patterns, allow users to quickly spot anomalies and trends. Data visualization supports faster decision making by providing the clear insight from visual data, which aid to making quicker decisions. Furthermore, it improves the communication of the data insights across the organization, as visual data is easier to share and understand across the teams. To data visualizations, to visualize the data in BI, follow these steps. First one is to identify the data source and types, then set transformation method and database qualities. Source data from initial storage like Google Analytics, ERP or CRM. Clean map and standardize the data into the staging area. Next, move to the clean data to a database or data warehouse. Finally, use the BI tool to create the visualization from the stored data. This process ensures that the data is properly prepared and presented in the way that it's both accessible and actionable. Let's explore some key data visualization techniques. Bar charts are used to compare data from different categories and making it easier to see variation and trends. Line charts are useful for identifying trends over time, showing how data points change across the specific period. Pie chart provides the insight into the proportionate distribution of the part within the wall, making it clear and how different segments contribution to the overall picture. Scatter plots show the correlation between the two variables such as gender with height, allowing us to identify relationship and patterns. Heat map visualize the data density and variance, highlighting area of higher concentration within the dataset. Each of these techniques serve the specific purpose and help to understand the different aspects of our data sets. To ensure your data visualization is more effective, you need to follow some visualization best practices. For first one, define your audience and tailor your visualization to meet their needs, prompting them to act on the specific data points. Use consistent colors and font to highlight the data and assist the user navigations. Remember, context is the key. Combine the graphic with the data story to explain why the information is important. Utilize the formatting and the sorting by arranging the data systematically and using bars, icons, labels, or lines for clarity. Known when to use the table. While visualization are engaging, tables are useful for the detailed comparison or large data sets and can be customized with spark lines and the conditional format. Following these best practices will help you to create a more impactful and understandable data visualizations. In this slide, you can see some of the leading data visualization tools available in the market. These tools are crucial for transposing raw data into insightful and actionable visual formats. The tools we will cover are Looker, Soho Analytics, Tabulous, QuickView, and Microsoft Power BI. During this presentation, I mainly focused on the Microsoft Power BI. A final example about the Amazon also cover used in the Power BI. Let's start with the Soho Analytics. The tool stands out for the simplicity and predicting value in your data and define the past and future trends with the minimal efforts. Some key features include the automatic data blending, ready-made visualization, and ad hoc analytics. Soho Analytics helps you uncover insight without worrying about the complexity behind the scene. Now we want to look at the second tool named Looker, a robust business intelligence tool that connects the both web-based and SQL database. Looker offers the user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, customizable dashboard, and exportable reports. It's also integrated seamlessly with the third-party sources through the APIs and allow you data querying and directly from databases, providing the cross-platform to access from comprehensive data analysis. Moving on to the Tableau, let's look at how it benefits the retail company. Tableau's dashboard helps to understand the value selling for stock management. It's using the heat map to visualization best-selling products in different areas, and it is data-rich graphical interfaces allowing drilling to down the subcategories and a specific time period, offering the detailed view of the sales performance and the trends. Let's take a look at the best real-time applications of these data visualization tools. They are highly effective in various business scenarios. For sales performance, bar chart is help to compare sales figures across the different regions. Second one is a line chart. Line chart are used to observe the financial trend and revenue growth over time. And pie charts represent the market shares distribution among competitors. Scatter plots examine the patterns of the customer behavior, providing the valuable customer insight. And finally, we can consider about the heat map. The heat maps are great for identify the high and low performance regions, thus improve the operational efficiency. Now let's discuss the practical application of the data visualization tool, focusing on the Amazon's customer data analysis. By analyzing Amazon's customer data encompassing click, behavior, features, and feedback, for this we used a BI tool named Power BI. In this line graph, we visualize how frequently customer of different age group make purchases. This analysis shows that purchases frequency is highest among 23 years old, with the 123 purchases accounting for the 20.43% of the total purchases. This data reveals significant variation in the business habits among the different age groups, indicating the greater level of the engagement with the younger customers, such as 23 years old. Targeted advertisement for these age group might increase the sales revenue and the customer satisfactions. Next, let's understand the browsing behaviors. Second line graph show peaking browsing time and the trend over time. This analysis indicates the peak in browsing time at 11:47 in morning. Although browsing frequency remaining relatively constant, identify the peak time helps Amazon to ensure that their platform and services are optimizing for maximum customer engagement and satisfaction. Now let's explore the cart abundant factors by gender using the third bar chart. This data shows the female have the highest cart abundant count at 352, significantly higher than the other genders. Understanding this gender influences cart abundance tendency allow Amazon to address the issues in the effectively, reducing the cart abundant rate and increasing the conversion rate. For identifying improvement area most strongly related to the overall shopping satisfaction using the fourth bar chart. This analysis show that customer service responsiveness scores the highest in the total shopping satisfactions, highlighting the importance of timely and efficient customer services. Other significant factors is including the product quality, accuracy, and the reduction in the packaging waste. Focusing on this area can help Amazon to enhance the customer satisfaction and engagement. To explore the search results exploration using the fifth bar chart, these findings show that the categories method is the most explored within the count of 223, comprehending 37% of the total search exploration. This suggests that the categories method is effectively in the help to user to examine the search result in details. This knowledge can inform Amazon of how to improve their search interfaces and enhancing user satisfaction and conversion rates. This pie chart shows the category like sometime, often, rarely, and never represent the different usage of frequency. The sometime category captured 41% of response, suggesting that many customers save items but not purchases them immediately. Understanding this behavior can help Amazon to develop the strategies to convert these saved items into purchases, such as reminders or targeted promotions. Based on the finding, I recommend the following action. Focus marketing effort and the promotion of younger demographic to boost engagement and sales, enhancing the server performance and load time during the peak browsing period to improve the user experience. Third one is improve the checkout process, enhance the product description, and offer targeted incentive and to reduce the cart abundant. Fourth one is increased visibility and accessibility of the save for later features. Send a reminder or notification about saved items. Fifth one is invest in training, improve the support channels, and use chatbots for instant response to enhance the customer services quality. In conclusion, data visualization strategy convert the raw data into understandable and easily consumable forms. These tools enable business intelligence by extending the comprehensions, increasing the decision-making speed, and enriching the interactions. Bar chart and line charts compare categories and trend. Pie charts show the proportional distributions, and scatter spot and heat maps depict the correlation and the data density. The best platform for the developing such a visualization include the Locker, Zoho Analytics, Tableau, QuickView, and Microsoft Power BI. This all about my presentation. Thank you very much.